dear friends, welcome back to my channel NB Biology Tutorial. I am Professor Namrata Borate. In my last video, we have seen a cellular structure that is virus and viroids. Today, we are going to continue the next part of second topic, that is the lichen, its type and economic importance. So, let's continue. Lichen. As a lichen, these are the slow-growing, long-living organisms present in wide variety of places. What's a special characteristic of lichen? The lichen shows a symbiotic association with the fungi and the algae. That is, both the components are present in the lichen, but it is very difficult to separate. As there is in the lichen, there is a presence of these partners, that is the algal partner and the fungal partner. That is, that lichen shows the symbiotic association with algae and the fungi. Both are mutually benefited to with each other. The first one we see, that's the phycobionts. The algal partner of lichen is called as the phycobionts. The phycobionts belong to chlorophyceae, that's a green algae, and or cyanobacteria, that's a blue-green algae. As there is the presence of the green pigment, means this algae work out the function as a photosynthesis. It's an interesting fact in case of the phycobionts. The second one, it's a mycobionts. The fungal partner of lichen called as the mycobionts. Mycobionts belongs to ascomycetes, rarely basidiomycetes or deuteromycetes. As this algal component, its function as provides the food to fungal partner, and the fungal component provide shelter to algal component, absorbs the water and minerals. These are important functions work out by the fungal component, means algal component work out the function as well as the fungal component work out the function. So, it says as the symbiotic association. Both are beneficial to with each other. So, it says as the symbiotic association. The next phenomena we see, that's a habitat. Where these lichens grow. Lichen grow on tree trunk, decaying logs and on soil. Dry exposed rock, snow-covered Arctic and the Antarctic pole, snow-clad pole. The most important characteristic in case of lichen, it's a sensitivity. That is, this lichen, it is sensitive to air pollution and act as a pollution indicator. Means the area where there is a presence of the pollution, in that area the lichen does not grow. But the pollution free area, in that region, in that area, there is a growing of the lichen. This lichen, it's a plant body, it's a thalloid plant body, means there is absence of distinct root, stem and the leaves. This lichen, it mostly the greenish or the bluish in color, but some additional pigments is also present in the lichen, that's a yellow, orange, brown or the black color pigment. The reproduction, it may be the, as usual, it's a vegetative, asexual or the sexual methods. The next one we see, that's a classification of lichen. The lichen, it's a classified on the basis of the fungal component or on the basis of the external forms. The first one we see, that's a basis, the classification based on the fungal component. As this lichen, it's a of the three forms. First one is a ascolichen, second one is a basitolichen and the third one is a deuterolichen. This kingdom fungi we already studied in the last video. अभी तक आपने मेरा last video नहीं देखा होगा तो जरूर देखिए, like, share और subscribe कीजिए. As this lichen, it's classified it into the 3. On the basis of the fungal component, it classified it into the 3 types. First one is a ascolichen. Means what? The fungal component which is present in the lichen, that the fungal partner, it's a form of the ascomycetes. In case of basidolichen, the fungal partner is in form of the basidomycetes member, and the deuterolichen means a fungal partner is the deuteromycetes. The next phenomena we see based on the external form. There is again the 3 types. First one is a crustose lichen, second one is a fructicose lichen, and the third one is a foliose lichen. The first one we see, that is a crustose lichen. Means the lichen which is grow on the surface of the decaying logs as well as the rock. These are the thin, flat lichens. They cannot easily separated from the substratum. They are present on the surface of the bark as well as on the rock. It is present in a form of a crust. Its example is a Graphis, Lichen and the hematoma. The second type, it's a foliose lichen or the leafy lichen. Means the lichen structure, it's somewhat the leaf-like structure. You can see here, there is a distinct leaf-like structure is there. So it says as the leafy lichen or it says as the foliose lichen. This lichen, it is a lobed. You can see here there is a presence of the many lobes is here. Okay, that is the lichen. These are the lobes and the dorsi-ventrally flattened lichen. This foliose lichen, it is attached to the substratum. So this one is a substratum. It is attached to the substratum by means of the rhizine. As we know, this lichen plant body, it's a thalloid plant body, means there is absence of distinct root, stem and the leaves. But instead of root, what's a present for the attachment? There is a presence of the rhizine. This rhizine is a rhizoids-like structure, and this rhizoids-like structure which is present in the lichen. Its example, this is a first image, it indicates a parmelia, second image it's a colema, and the third image is the pelticera. The third type of lichen we see, that's a fructicose lichen. It also says as a shrubby lichen. That is, this lichen, it's a cylindrical branch. You can see here there is a presence of number of branches. This lichen, it's a erect and the pendulous. It's a pendulous like a structure. It's a thalloid plant body and it gives the shrub like appearance. So it says as the shrubby lichen. The most interesting fact in case of this fructicose lichen is there is a presence of the fruiting bodies. There is a presence of this fruiting body, so it says as a fructicose lichen. And the second important phenomena is there is a presence of a disc-like a structure, that is a mucilaginous disc is there, and this mucilaginous disc is used for attachment to the substratum. The next phenomena we see, that's the economic importance of lichen. The first one, this lichen, it is used as a food and the fodder. This lichen, it is used in the curry powder for making the chocolates and the pastries. It's used as a fodder for reindeers and the cattle. It's used as a antibiotics as well as it is used as a anti-carcinogen agent. The production of alcohol, there is a use of lichen. It is also used in the tanning and the dyeing. The preparation of litmus paper, this is a very important used is that is the preparation of the litmus paper in the biological stands, soaps and the cosmetics. There is a use of the lichens. Pelticera and the parmelia, it's used in the respiratory diseases, hydrophobia, rabies and the epilepsy. The next economic importance, that is the usnea, it is used in the urinary diseases. The most important fact in case of the lichen, it's a ecological importance. What's the ecological importance? That is lichen, it is used in the weathering of the rocks. The conversion of rock it into the soil, that is known as the pediogenesis. As is lichen, the lichen, it contains the acid, it's a carbonic acid and the oxalic acid. This acid, it is released from the lichen, and due to this there is a weathering of the rock is there, and the result is what? There is a formation of the soil. So this lichen, it says as the pioneer of the vegetation on the rocks. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.